Hey guys, welcome to my class. Today the class is about coding and decoding. So today this is the very first lesson on coding and decoding. I would like to show you some basic examples on coding and decoding. And this is the very first lecture, right? We'll see what are the different kinds of questions in the future videos. Let us start the first lesson. So basically the coding and decoding questions will be based on lattice positions. So this is the first model, the very beginning model for coding and decoding. There are varieties of models as I mentioned. In this video, we will see the shifting of letters model. To solve these questions, in very quick time, you must be able to remember the letters positions from A to Z. If I randomly ask you guys what is the position of T, you must be able to say that's 20. If anybody have a doubt how to remember them, I discussed in detail with a few funny tips. I am very sure that you cannot forget them after knowing all these shortcuts. I discussed this my YouTube channel. You can see logical reasoning introduction shortcut tips. So there I discussed letters positions, opposite pairs, and in what are all the concepts you can apply them. So I don't waste much of the time. Let us go for the first question of the day. So the first question is, if Google is written as IRQJNH, then how is the word Yahoo written? So if you want to solve, pause the video, try for some time, and then you can watch the video. As I mentioned that to remember letters positions, that will save a lot of time in solving. So let us write them quickly. We know that G7, O15, O15, G7, L12, E is 5. So why? Because we are very familiar with the numbers. By observing the numbers, how you can quickly say this is shifted by this much or that is shifted by this much, like that. So now I9, R18, Q17, J10, N14, H is 8. So once if you write down the numbers, now you can quickly see this difference is +2, this is +3, this is +2, this is +3, this is +2, this is +3. So the logic is that once is +3, one is +2, and then +3. +2, +3 sequence repeats, right? So you need to do the same thing for the word Yahoo. So now the coded word to be do is that Yahoo, right? Okay. Now we know that Y is 25th letter, A first letter, H8, O15, O15. Now from Y, you need to reverse back to A. So Z and then A, 2 places ahead. So this is D. This must be shifted by 3 places forward, right? 1 plus 3, 4, 4th letter is D. Now 8 plus 2, 10, 10th letter is J. 15 plus 3, 18, 18th letter is R. This is 15 plus 2, 17, 17th letter is Q. So simply the answer is ADJ or Q. So that is option 4. Sometimes you may be able to get meaningful words. Sometimes you may not get meaningful words. So in the coming questions, I have framed the questions which makes meaning, right? Let's go for the next question. Second question. If Bombay is written as CP and CPZ, now in the reverse order, how can these letters will be decoded? So we need to find out the word for this. So the quickest model is write down the letters positions. B2, O15, M13, B2, A1, Y25. Now this is 3, 16, 14, 3, 2, 26. And this is a very second question, right? I also taken a very basic example. So this is -1 from this side to this side, -1. Everything is -1, right? Just the before letter. So do the same thing, guys, here. Now, if I take -1, this is B, this is -1, A, before letter of S, or before letter of P, O, before letter of E, D, and before letter of B is A. The answer is Baroda. So I have taken meaningful words, right? In the reverse order, it is a little difficult. Okay, let's move on to the next question then. If Nagpur is written as SBQHBO, then how can you code these letters CBKOBQ? If you want to try, guys, please pause the video and then you can try. So let us give the numbering first of all. The quickest method you can do is write down the numbering. So this is 14, this is 1, this is 7, this is 16, this is 21, this is 18. And if you want to make a little easiness, if you want to make little easy, write down this word bottom up below to the Nagpur word. This is SVQ HBO, right? So now write the numbering. So this S is 19, Q V is 22, Q 17, H 8. This is 2. This is 15. Now can you see? When you see the from first to last, so O is 15, N is 14. This is -1. This is before letter -1. So you need to do the same thing here, right? So now Q is 17. Let us write down this. We know that B. This is sorry, numbering, right? So this is 3. This is 2. This is 11. This is 15. This is 22. This is 17. Now this has to go to front. This has to come to the first position. So before P, before Q is P, right? And this is 22, 21 letter is U. Anyhow, before letter, you can quickly write down, guys. Before O, N, before K, J, before B, A, before C, B. Simply the word is Punjab, right? So these are very basic questions. That's why I told you at the beginning only. I can make sure that 2-3 questions, tough questions will come at the end of this video. Next, if Indira is coded as so and so, then how can you code this? So quickly write down below the word Indira. This is M, this is R, this is H, this is M, this is V, this is E. So now instantly you have to give the numbering for them. So this is 9, 14, 4, 9, 18, 1. So this is 13, 18, 8, 13, 22, and then 5. Now did you observe? This is -4. This is -4, -4, -4, -4, -4. So from left to right to left, this is -4, right? So if you do the same thing here, the best thing is first give the numbering. So this is 11, this is 5, this is 18, this is 8, L 12, M is 13. So now you have to go 4 letters before, right? So 4 letters before is -4. If I do, that is seventh letter is G. 4 letter before, first letter is A. 4 letter before, 14th letter is N. 4 letter before, 4th letter is D. 4 letter before, 8th letter is H. 4 letter before, 9th letter is I. So the word is Gandhi. So now we have taken 3 to 4 examples where the simple shifting is done first to first or first to last. Sometimes you can have the questions where the word is split into 2 different parts, where the word is divided into 2 different parts, and then coding can be done. So let us see some such questions now. Now Surendra word is coded as this. Then how can you code the word Nagarjun? So we have to code Surendra, right? So first let us try to decode what is the logic in the word Surendra. So in the previous questions, the coding is first to first or first to last, where we simply decoded the logic. But here it is a little difficulty question. So let's see the coding, guys. First, let me give the numbering here. Yes, 19, U 21, or 18, 5, 14. This is 4. This is 18. This is 1. Now this is 2. This is 15. This is 18. This is 16. This is 4. This is 21. This is 7. This is 17. Once this process is done, now can you see first to last, last to first doesn't make sense. In such cases, generally, guys, if it is an even letter word, divide the word into 2 equal parts. So Surendra word has 8 letters. If I divide into 2 equal parts, 4 for each, right? So let us divide 4 for each. Now try to observe the numbers diagonally, sometimes diagonally. So if I observe the numbers here, can you see, guys, here? Can you see here? This is a -3. Yes, this is -3. This is -3. This is also -3. Now here, this is +3. This is +3. This is +3. This is +3. Now this part will talk about -3, and this part is talking about +3. Now I'm taking, as it is a first video, everything is 3, 3. Sometimes -1, -2, -3, -4. This side +1, +2, +3, +4. There are so many varieties of models that we will try to learn in the future classes. Now we have to finish the word Nagarjuna, right? Nagarjun, right? So let us take the word Nagarjun. Let us try to give the numbering for this. So the numbering is, this is 14, this is 1, this is 7, 1, 18, 10, 21, and then this is 14. So as we did equal number of letters for the word Surendra, so let us do the same thing for the word Nagarjun. So divide into 2 equal parts. Once if you do for equal parts, then what is the next step? The next step is from here to here, from S to P, that is -3, right? So from N to this place, -3 if I do, 14 minus 3, 11, 11th letter is K. Now from 1, I have to go 3 places backward. So from A, Z, Y, X. 3 places backward if I go, you will get X. Now from 7, 3 places backward. 7 minus 3, 4. 4th letter is D. Here A is done, right? X. This is -3. This part is done. But can you see this is +3 diagonally? So this is +3, right? So this is +3. Now from here to here +3, +3, +3, +3. Okay. 14 plus 3, 17. 17th letter is Q. So guys, whatever kind of observation that you do, the same observation must be put into this, right? That is how you have to work out. Now this is 21 plus 3, 24. 24th letter is X. 10 plus 3, 13. 13th letter is M. 18 plus 3, 21. 21st letter is U. So the answer is XD, XK, XU, MU. Right? I hope it's a very good question. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Now you have the word mathematics. If mathematics is coded as this, then how can you code the word association? So the instantly you have to do, you have to write down the positions like this. Top on the given word, bottom on the decoded word. Okay, let us do this numbering first of all. Now M is 13, A1, T20, H8, E5, M13, A1, T20, I9, C3, S19. For a 5-6 letter word, you can easily decode. But if something big word, big letters word is there, something like 11 letters word, mathematics C. In such cases, it becomes tough. So I always suggest you to take the numbering of the letters. So now H is 8. This is 11. This is 23. This is 4. This is 16. This is 10. This is 22. This is 6, 12, 23, and then 4. Now, can you see in the previous word, Surendra has 8 letters, even number of letters. So we split into 2 equal parts. Now it has odd number of letters, right? In such cases, divide this into 5, equal number, middle, by leaving 1 in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I can split the word like this. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let us make a split here. Now try to observe the shifting place. Okay. Now can you see 13 plus 3, 16. 1 plus 3, 20 plus 3. 8 plus 3, 5 plus 3. So let us do the same thing before going to the further process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to split here. And from first place to the last place, you have to do plus 3. So 1, 19, 19, 15. This is 3. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4th letter is D. 19 plus 3, 22. 22 letter is V. This is V. 15 plus 3, 18. 18th letter is R. 3 plus 3, 6. 6th letter is F. Now, what happened to the middle letter? If you see the middle letter, guys, here we did plus 3, right? Okay, happy. Here 13 minus 3 we did. So do the same thing here. So this is 9. If I do minus 3, 6th letter is F, right? Okay, done. Now let us observe this case. Now here, this is again plus 3. Plus 3. Again, I think everything I did plus 3 only. So let us do the same thing. So now from last to first, right? Can you see? From 19 to V, we did plus 3. So 14 plus 3, 17. Q. O is 15 plus 3. Or this is Q now. So I9 plus 3, 12 is L. T20 plus 3, 23 is W. A1 plus 3, 4th letter is D. So this is FR, VBD, FQ, RL, WD. So like this, you can solve n number of questions. So this is the first lesson. I want to make it as short and more informative. So in the second lesson, we will try to see shifting only, but with different shifting, +1, -2, +3, -4, +5, -6, like that. One addition, one subtraction. And that addition subtractions can be done diagonally or by splitting the word into 2 equal parts or like this. And the next video you'll have opposite page concept as well, number coding as well, and the new patterns has come in most of the exams, so that I will talk about those models in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep inspiring.